Well, the bitter cold has forced many schools to go on 2-hour delays again this morning, with the hope that temperatures will warm up enough to give kids a fighting chance at the bus stop this morning. But the temperatures can cause severe injury if you don't take it seriously and protect yourself. Sunrise reporter Carrie Klein is live from a local ER with some of the cold weather emergencies local hospitals are seeing. Good morning, Carrie.
Yeah, good morning, Julia. It is all about protecting your flesh and limiting your exposure so you don't end up in the emergency room. Now, some of the biggest problems local ERs are seeing: frostbite and hypothermia. Let's start with hypothermia, because that occurs when your core body temperature starts to drop. Your body will feel cold. You'll start to shiver. That's your body's sign that you need to get inside and seek warmth immediately. If for some reason you can't, though, your body can start to shut down and you can die. Second, frostbite. This is literally a burning of the skin from the cold, and that can get downright nasty, sometimes even leading to the amputation of your fingers, your toes, even your ears. Now, we went over to Community North Hospital yesterday where they have seen several cases of frostbite over the last couple of weeks, and Dr. Erik Fossum talks about what to look for.
The first stages are not quite that bad. More just kind of skin discoloration, pain. You'll have sometimes some tingling or decreased sensation, and a lot of times you don't actually have outward blisters. It's kind of more when it gets worse, so you tend to see more of that.
So what do you do? Well, you layer up. People often ask me, what do I do to stay warm out in this cold weather? Well, after years of reporting in the cold, I've got it down to a science. I start with a base layer, usually like a cotton undershirt, then the thermal wear. Get those long johns out. Now, if you're going to be outside exerting yourself and you think you might sweat, invest the extra money in the active dry thermal wear, because it will whisk away the sweat. The last thing you want is wet clothes in this cold weather. And then your main layer. I love my new Insulated snow pants. They are a lifesaver. That's all you need on the bottom layer: the long johns, the ski pants, and then up top I typically do a turtleneck shirt, a fleece, and then you cap it all off with a hat that covers your ears. Very important to prevent that frostbite on your ear tips. And then also some warm insulated gloves and a muffler that you can use to kind of cover your mouth and your nose. And then you cap it all off out here with a good warm coat. And then down at the bottom, some warm wool socks and insulated boots, and you are good to go. I also don't mind telling you, I have a pair of hand warmers in my gloves right now. And people who worry that we stay out here too long, we're only out here a couple of minutes, because as soon as I finish, I'm going to hop back in our nice, warm, heated car. So that's the key. Layer up, stay warm, limit your exposure, and protect your flesh. Be careful out there, folks. Reporting live from downtown, Carrie Klein, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.
All right, Carrie, get warm.